explain our mission. Carla's last trick has rendered the Xylem inoperable. There's only one way left to stop it from colliding and igniting the coral. We have to take the whole thing down. The lower drive block is powered by large Skirmian generators distributed throughout the area. If we destroy all the generators and stop the ramjet engine in the upper city sector, then we can crash the Xylem into the Alien Ocean without impacting human life. One more thing. I took the liberty of using your name to rally allies to our aid. Beyond scorched skies, Raven fights on. No one has shaped Rubicon's destiny as much as you have. Come and see what the name Raven means to them. Let's go, Raven. One of our allies should be arriving already.
Looks like the guest of honor's here. Hey, buddy. Never thought I'd be rubbing shoulders with the liberator of Rubicon. Every Rubiconian who heard your cry rose up to fight. Let's show them there's a future for Rubicon beyond these scorched skies.
System activating combat mode.
D4. Rusty was the first to offer his help.
Never thought the plan would go so wrong. But it's good teaming up with you again. Couldn't have hoped for a better silver lining.
Even more of our ADs and T's. Target confirmed. One generator destroyed.
Looks like the Liberation Front has broken into Institute City. You should hear this. Patching you in.
Now, comrades, out the corporations! We'll show Raven. The Rubiconians will wallow in the ashes no more.
Slogans scrawled in ash were never going to change Rubicon. Cinders are alive with flame once more.
Two remaining.
Generators destroyed. 2 remaining. Surround the plant. Keep pushing them back.
It's time. The point is tiring sea.
Sounds like quite the party down there. Love to see all my hard work paying off.
No repair kits remaining.
That's the machine from Grid 086.
Looks like we got our work cut out for us. It'll be just like when we climbed the wall. Nice. The intake's vulnerable. I'll get its attention. You handle the shooting.
miles ahead of the silo. Enemy fleet approaching.
Guess Arquebus decided to escalate. They must really want us dead. Let me handle the fleet. You've got a mission to finish. I'm counting on you, buddy.
Let's keep up the pace, Raven. We're entering the drive block's core. Watch out for ambushes. There's 2 Skirmian generators left. Once we've shut those down, we need to deal with the ramjet engine. Destroy the generators and head outside.
Sustaining major damage! We're dropping like flies out here!
Target's 1AC. Identification. V4. What? He's supposed to be dead.
Full barrage! Don't let him get any closer!
You're out of luck. There's only one person who can keep up with me.
All Skirmian generators destroyed. Get clear, Raven. The drive block's going to explode.
Bad news, buddy. Something said it's straight for your position. I've never seen something move that fast. They must have finished work on Untitled.
Raven, we need to get outside fast.
Raven the independent mercenary. You're not the mutt I thought you were.
That machine!
You're below that. You are vermin.
Arquebus Untitled. Either identify us. V2 snail.
AP at 50%.
Enemy's taking critical damage.
We're losing the flagship!
More fighters! We need cover! Knew there'd be more. Not me, buddy. Well, you're gonna finish this, right? Guess I'm not done yet, then.
Energy output is ramping up again.
Out of my sight, vermin. That traitor V4. Those dogs at command. And worst of all, you. The pest of Rubicon who stirred the cinders. You sicken me. All of you. I'll crush you underfoot. Oh, I am Arquebus. One last plan.
Confirmed. V2 snail, down.
Sounds like it's over. I just about managed.
Rusty's signal just disappeared. Raven, it seems we've got trouble ahead. We need to take down the Xylem fast.